So we had the National STEM Day celebration with the preschoolers from Widefield Park and Rec. They came over and viewed some of our 3D printers and laser engravers, flight simulators, and also some engineering and robotics experience.
The excitement that I saw from these preschoolers today is the same excitement that I see with my 8th graders.
The research and the literature really shows that earlier interventions for STEM have a much higher success rate. That students really make those decisions to go one way or another in a STEM field very early.
I want you to cheer if you liked the 3D printing. Favorite part about 3D printing is you can make whatever you can imagine.
The goal is to go through and begin very early with early interventions of the use and knowledge behind how these tools work and the availability of these tools to the public, which is a major piece, equity piece for not only our community but for all communities.